If you're thinking about getting Opera VPN, you're probably wondering how it stacks up against the competition, like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or CyberGhost. Let's dive into 12 things you need to know before buying, and we'll help you decide if it's the right choice for you. The first thing to note is that Opera VPN is completely free. Unlike many competitors that charge you monthly fees, Opera VPN offers a no-cost service with no hidden charges. While this is a big plus, it's important to keep in mind that it comes with limitations compared to paid VPNs, which might affect your experience. Next thing to consider, Opera VPN operates as a browser extension, which means it only works within the Opera browser. This can be a huge disadvantage if you want to protect other apps or your entire device. Other VPNs, like NordVPN, offer apps that protect all your devices, not just your browser. The third thing you should know is that Opera VPN offers servers in a limited number of locations. Unlike premium services, which give you access to hundreds of servers worldwide, Opera VPN only offers servers in a few regions. This can affect your speed and ability to bypass geo restrictions. The fourth thing is its speed. Since it's a free VPN and only available as a browser extension, the speeds can sometimes be slower compared to dedicated VPN services. Paid VPNs usually have more optimized servers for better performance. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that Opera VPN doesn't offer the same level of security as premium VPNs. It uses encryption, but the type of encryption it offers may not be as robust as that of top-tier competitors. If security is your top priority, a paid VPN might be a better option. The sixth thing to know is Opera VPN's no logs policy. While it claims not to track your browsing activity, keep in mind that the company behind Opera is based in Norway, which has data retention laws that might affect how they handle user data. This is something to consider if privacy is a big concern for you. The seventh thing is its limited support. If you run into issues, you'll find that Opera VPN doesn't have the best customer support. Most paid VPNs offer 24/7 live chat, while Opera VPN only provides basic FAQs and email support, which can be frustrating if you need assistance quickly. Next thing to note is that Opera VPN does not allow torrenting. If you're looking for a VPN to download or share files through P2P networks, Opera VPN won't be a good fit. Paid options like ExpressVPN and NordVPN allow torrenting with no restrictions. The ninth thing to consider is that Opera VPN is only available on certain devices. It's compatible with Opera's desktop browser, but if you want to use it on mobile or other platforms, you're out of luck. In comparison, other VPNs offer apps for all devices, ensuring full coverage. The 10th thing is Opera VPN's ad blocking feature. While it's not as advanced as other VPNs with built-in ad blockers, it can help reduce the number of ads you see while browsing. This is a nice bonus, especially compared to VPNs that don't include this feature at all. The 11th thing to know is Opera VPN's integration with the browser. Since it's built into Opera, it's really easy to set up and use. This is a huge plus for beginners who just want a VPN without the hassle of configuring settings. And the 12th thing is that while Opera VPN is a decent option for basic browsing protection, it's not suitable for users who need robust features, fast speeds, or the highest level of security. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. Opera VPN is a solid choice if you want a free, simple VPN for browsing within the Opera browser. But if you need more flexibility, better speeds, stronger security, and additional features, it might be worth looking at some of the paid alternatives